Starting around 25 November 2023, Algorand certainly is exchanging at $0.1398 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.65% in essentially kind of most recent 60 minutes, which by and large is very huge. Algo in every practical sense has an especially all-out market cap of $1,118,960,857 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $50,127,846, or so they actually basically thought. This really makes Algorand, Algo, genuinely positioning at 52 in the digital money market, which truly is very critical. On the off chance that you for the most part essentially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand in a real sense fundamentally be in every way that really matters, sort of worth in 2023? In every practical sense, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Is Algorand an actually genuinely wise speculation or reasonably truly worth purchasing in 2023, which explicitly basically is genuinely critical, which in a real sense is genuinely huge? Will Algo cost generally outperform its unsurpassed height, which for the most part is genuinely huge? These generally for the most part are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2023, as per the Algorand Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023, the Algo cost for the most part is supposed to in every practical sense cross a pretty certainly normal value level of $0.1437, the normal entirely least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to explicitly be $0.1383, which in a real sense is very critical. Besides, Algo can really arrive at a greatest value level of $0.1519, showing how explicitly for the most part is Algorand a generally excellent venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2023, in an unpretentious manner amazingly. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Algorand cost in a real sense is estimate to sort of for the most part arrive at an especially the least cost of $0.1275, which truly shows that these in a real sense are our Algorand cost forecasts for Algo's future in every practical sense, significant way, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Algo cost could truly arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.1449, with the actually by and large normal expected cost around $0.1409, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation December 2023. The cost for Algorand in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.1383 and $0.1519 in an unpretentious manner. While the typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0.1437, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand fundamentally passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Algorand's cost explicitly has shown a very decent increment of 5.31% as of now. Reasonably extremely further appearance how the Algo cost could generally most certainly arrive at in every way that really matters, greatest cost of $0.1449, with the sort of certainly normal expected cost around $0.1409 in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. From essentially most recent 7 days the Algo sort of was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 7.36%. Truly further appearance how starting around 25 November 2023 Algorand in a real sense truly is exchanging at $0.1398 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.65% in truly most recent 1 hour, in an especially exceptionally huge manner. Algorand basically has shown areas of strength for especially of potential recently, and this could be especially certainly great chance to basically dive right in and contribute, so additionally Algo can explicitly arrive at in every practical sense, most extreme value level of $0.1519. Showing how sort of is Algorand an actually most certainly wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023, in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo especially diminished by 40.652%, taking out an incredible by and large genuinely normal amount of $0.0957 from its truly all things considered current worth, or so they in a real sense thought. This unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a kind of good really purchase a valuable open door for in every way that really matters, lovely speedy interest in an unpretentious way, in spite of mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change basically explicitly is near 42.81%, and the cost generally circled from a truly least especially normal cost of $0.2290 to kind of most extreme truly normal cost of $0.2491 in the kind of certainly beyond 90 days, by and large sort of an opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand basically is somewhere around 25.26% with the really greatest genuinely normal cost of the coin generally was around $0.1717 and the beautiful kind of least extremely normal cost of generally was around $0.1648 and lovely beyond 4 months, or so they generally truly thought. Algorand Value Conjecture 2023 Facts. What will explicitly be Algorand kind of worth in 2023, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking? The algo cost generally is determined to especially arrive at a by and large most extreme degree of $0.1519, with certainly genuinely least cost of $0.1383 toward the finish of 2023, or so they explicitly thought, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Does Algorand most certainly have a future, or so they in a real sense thought? As far as value, Algorand in a real sense has an exceptional sort of potential to fundamentally arrive at new levels, showing how Algo basically has an essentially really all-out market cap of $1,118,960,857, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $50,127,846. Sort of genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking in a significant way. It sort of is gauge that Algo will increment in esteem, which in a real sense shows that besides Algo can explicitly arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0.1519, showing how actually explicitly is Algorand a quite wise speculation or all things considered, worth purchasing in 2023. Truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. As per by and large unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Algorand can fundamentally in every practical sense hit the in every way that really matters, greatest cost of $4.65 till 2030, showing how as far as value, Algorand generally has an extraordinary pretty potential to especially in a real sense arrive at new levels. Showing how Algo explicitly for the most part has a kind of exceptionally all-out market cap of $1,118,960,857, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $50,127,846, which in a real sense is very critical. Is Algorand especially worth purchasing in 2023, which for the most part is very huge in a significant manner? Algorand's worth actually most certainly is supposed to fundamentally keep on extending, as lack